Ayo, okie dokie. Let's do this thing. Are we ready for this, people? Am I ready for this, people? Nah, I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. Let's... Oopsies, I pressed the wrong thing there. Let's see what we've got going since we left. Oh, the consolidation this morning hurt. Literally hurt my feelings. Here we go. Let's style is... What am I doing? London high. Okay, London low has not been taken. Take it back. London low has not been taken yet. It's about to be taken though. Sorry, just going through the whole process of let's label everything we got to label. London low, awesome source. Damn, London. Yeah, London. Just London. Just London. That's all I'm gonna say. Just London. Okie dokie. Now, Topsies, Bottomies, awesome. NWOG is over here, going across very, very nicely. Mud stop loss over there, London low. Here's the opening. So, got it. Is that it? I feel like that's it. Okay, awesome. Then we're kind of ready to get this. Okay, yeah, I guess ready to get this party started. A little bit stuck on VWAP. How does it look on ES? ES is over there. Okay, let's do a top to bottom analysis again quickly. Let's do this. So, top to bottom. Let's start with the daily again. Still keen on it to go up to 24997. Especially with this doji it created, 997. Is it going to? Let's find out. But 997 is what I am definitely keen on. Y'all are being so quiet. It's weird. What's up? Is everyone okay? I'm not used to people being quiet. But anyways, yeah, let's do top to bottom analysis. I would still like to see it come and take out this fair value gap. That's what I would like to see. Is it gonna happen? Maybe not. Maybe not. Let's see. But yeah, that 24997 zone is pretty juicy. It's pretty juicy. Okay, and that's the daily. Let's check out the 4 hour quickly. Our top to bottom analysis before just jumping in to anything. 4 hour had that good push. Oh, struggling it is. On the 4 hour, it is indeed in this resistance level. 24500 level over there. Haven't really created much there. There's a tiny fair value gap here. Teeny tiny fair value gap. Do you think we're gonna tap into that before continuation back up? I mean, this, just looking at this, it's not that nice, but let's see where this heads. I'm still keen on the, let's round it up. Let's go to 2,500 or 25,000. Sorry, not 2,500, 25,000. We're gonna go head up to that point there. That's at least what I think. It's what I'm still keen on. It's what I've been keen on though. So, you know, let's not just trust what I'm saying. Let's check the 1 hour now. What's up, everyone? Here's a huge word. Where to go? There we go.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
JS, what's up? How's it going? How are you? Finally, damn, everyone's being so quiet. Are y'all good? Is it because it's Wednesday? Are we tired? I get it's been a long week, but it's Wednesday, guys. We've got this. Sure, it hit this resistance level like a damn truck. Okay, but on the 1 hour, let's now see. On the 1 hour, we do indeed have a little bit more of a fair value gap that has been created here. Maybe we'll tap back into it. 804-ish, and then continuation to the buy side. That's what I'm feeling. We're slowly creating higher highs, slowly being the keyword. Higher highs and higher lows. Good dip happened down there on ES now. Okay, let's see if we can break above this resistance level. Like I said, I would like to see it hit 25,000 level. That's just rounding it up. Obviously, it would be nice if it goes even higher. I know a lot of people are gunning for 25,300. Let's see, tapping into this 1 hour order block over here. Will it go that high? Let's see, that's what a lot of people are gunning for. So that was the 1 hour. Let's now check the 15-minute. Get our top to bottom analysis going. Okay, I haven't quite taken out that low here. Okay, what I suspect being the key word here, I suspect we might come and take out the low and then start popping back up. Suspect is the keyword. Come take out London low, tap into the shelf, and then continuation to the buy side. But that being said, look at all of this sell side momentum. Okie dokie. Yeah, so there's a 15-minute. Let's zoom in on the 15-minute. See what we got. We do indeed have a bit of a fair value gap and a really nice little bit of an order block there. Okay, 5-minute. Let's do this. So because there's FOMC today, I feel like that's it. Heyo, travel around the world. What's up? Can you teach at least a bit about candles? How to watch them and when to watch them? You want to elaborate a little bit more? Like, what are you looking for in particular? Like, what to look out for? So, for example, look out for the fair value gaps, because that, that essentially means that there's an imbalance. Oh my goodness, let's try English again. So look out for fair value gaps because that means there's an imbalance in the market, and you always want the market to be balanced. Or that's what the market is always seeking. The market is always seeking balance. So you want to look for imbalances because those are really good points of interest. Is that what you mean? Is that what you want me to elaborate a little bit more on? Yeah, let me know with regards to that. But then I'll happily do that. Oh, yeah, look at this. Slowly up, fast down. Okay, we're gonna have to wait for opening to see how this goes. Decent projection off of there. Here's VWAP. Okay. We indeed have... Oh, damn. We've got quite a bit of time. I feel like I went through that quite quickly. Did I hop on? No, I didn't hop on too early. That's it. Okay, let's see. What is life, bro? What's up? How are you? Everyone's being really quiet today, and it's making me uncomfortable. Why is no one talking? You guys need to start talking because you're making me uncomfortable. But anyway, it's okay. Just start talking. No, just me. I'm so used to talking with people. Now I just have to talk to myself like a crazy person, but that's okay, I guess. It's okay. We can talk to oneself like a crazy person. Waffle Beast don't. No, never. I'll never shush. Well, like everyone on the internet says to just do by the candles, and I still can't understand them. Hey, or Rusty, what's up? So, travel around the world. Okay. You still can't understand them. Okay. And that's difficult, right? Because obviously the candles make up the market, so I can understand. It's quite a tricky one. Not a tricky question. I feel like it's quite loaded. Like the market is made up out of the candles. So let's start with this. Do you know what a fair value gap is? Let's start with like basics before we start going too deep into this. Let's start with basics. Do you know what a fair value gap is? Waffle Beast, I'm absolute. I cannot be quiet, believe me. I've tried. Yesterday, to be fair, yesterday I was quiet for 5 minutes. I think a lot of people enjoyed that, but it's okay. Go have fun. Hi, what's up? Alright, please concentrate. Ah, damn. Okay, must is this it? Must I shut up, for lack of a better word? FOMC might pass on this. Yeah, Juan, let's see. I mean, London was disgusting. London price action was disgusting. I had a little loss in London, unfortunately. Not from incorrect idea, but incorrect range. I used the incorrect range this morning, and that was me low-key chasing, so that's on me. That was a lesson. I definitely had a lesson this morning. I'm going to wait for solid confirmation on this before hopping into anything. Let's see what we get. Sorry, let's put these back up. Whoopsies. Sorry, I know it's chaotic. I apologize. Flash warning. Good morning. That's a record. It is. It really was. It was a record. 5 minutes of complete silence. I even timed it. I timed it. That only happens when I put myself in a timeout. I was really mean to someone, so I put myself in a 5-minute timeout. Oh, you're not a beginner? Oh, awesome, awesome. I mean, so I use market auction theory. Yeah, sorry. I assumed maybe you were. So I use market auction theory for my strategy. Ayo, Jody, how are you? You only run futures. Did you always do futures? And what made you change? So yes, I started with futures. Sweet and simply, I started with futures. It's all I've known, so I haven't changed, just carried on. It's what I started with. It's what I stick at, because I always said I want to get good at it before I start hopping around. Waffle Beast Stomp. I still don't know how to set up a trade with stop loss. Waffle Beast Stomp, what trading platform do you use, by the way? Can you review your recent lesson trade? Oh, of course I can, perennial growth. So here we go. Okay. So I said, remember I said I chased it. So this is what happened. So opening, London Open happened here at 9 a.m. I didn't want to take this because London Open had just happened, but you can see this would have been a goodie. So I was like, damn, that sucks. Then next one, moving up. If I zoom in, you can see, so this is where I made the mistake. I didn't zoom in enough on this one. You can see it actually didn't tag the 50% of this range. Oh, gosh. Yeah. So my mistake was this. You can see that actually I should have continued to follow this range, because the rule is if it doesn't take out the 50% of this range, keep following up. You can see I didn't do that. I started chasing. Again, looking at this, I'm like, stupid, but it's fine. So if I'd followed the range, it would have been an awesome win. I did not. I moved to the next range. So this is lesson learned, right? You can see what happened here. So I did have a volume imbalance here, a volume imbalance here, and a shelf. However, like I said, the rule is if the 50% is not taken and a volume imbalance, you can see it went all the way down to this volume imbalance. Like I said, theoretically, this had a few volume imbalances and a nice doji and a shelf, but it was only... This was closer to a B setup than an A setup. So I should have continued. So that was the lesson. I rushed into it. I was chasing, and I didn't stick with my rule of follow the range. I was chasing, trying to get in on this jump. So that was, yeah. That was my mistake, and when I created this volume imbalance here, I actually should have, well, I say I should have closed it. It was too late. It was too late by then. But it's okay. Lesson learned. It is what it is. I chased a little bit. I ducked around and found out. Sweet and simply, I ducked around and found out. So you can see that was a loss there, and why. More importantly, why it was a loss. If I'm not mistaken here, on the 5 minute, yes, on the 5 minute, it also tapped into a little bit of a 5 minute order block. So it rejected off of it a little bit more. Yeah, so that's, oh, hello. Okay, 9:30. Okie dokie. Here's the opening range. Good actual grief. So London low officially taken. Straight through NWOG, straight through that opening price. Going right toward Mud Crab's stop loss. I marked out Mud Crab's stop loss over here. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Okie dokie, 9:30 a.m. range. This is intense. You think it's like this? Oh, guys, I had too much caffeine today. I'm a little bit shaky, but it's okay. Have I tried cryptos? I did not try crypto. Sweet and simply just because the spreads with futures are kinda. I'm not gonna say nicer, I'm going to say kinda. Okay, 9:30 range. Done. I use Fidelity. Does anyone use Fidelity here? I think I don't know if I said that correctly. Hey Cat, what's up? Calm down, y'all. Oh, okay, sorry, calm down everyone. Are you using prop firm? I am. Did you see the beginning? Did I see the beginning? What do you mean by did I see the beginning? Hey, some guy, happy Wednesday. How are you? How's it been going? How's Biddy been treating you? How's your mom, by the way, as well? Stocks are like a horse race. Why do you say that? Yes, you're doing something I never saw before. What? HW, you have a new subscriber. Aw, nice, thank you. Travel around the world, you're such a sweetie. Damn, you missed it that. Oh, no. I'm not that type of trader, no. I don't trade the New York Open. Like, I'm here for the New York Open, but I don't place a trade for the New York Open. That feels a little bit... No, I'm not going to say that. I was going to say it feels a little bit like gambling, but that's just not true. I know some people very successfully trade the New York Open. I'm not one of those. It would literally be a 50-50. Do you think this is bearable? Place a trade. Yeah, not worth it. For me and for my strategy, not worth it. This also looks absolutely shocking. Is this creating a Mojo Jojo off of the flipping bat right now? No. Oh, did I start with prop firm from the beginning? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. I started with props from the get-go. Yay! Some guy, do you still have the 2 dogs with you? Hey, yo, Eddie, what's up?
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
You're one of them? No, okay, Reloaded, let me ask you this. Sorry, I felt judgy as I said it. I was like, that's judgy and rude. Some people are very successful doing it. Are you successful trading the open, like, at 9:30? Are you successful? How does it... How? I think maybe that's the better question. How do you do that? Maybe I just don't, you know, I don't have ovaries of steel like you do. I know. Oh my goodness. Lesson learned. Maybe don't have... Okay, wait. What time are we looking at? Okay, here's the 5-minute range. Okie dokie, not much different. Awesome. Kind of stuck in the 9:30 range right now. Don't have a first presented, don't have anything. I'm very much hands off right now until we get something that's not a barcode. I used AI to create an indicator and started paper trading a strategy with it yesterday. So far 3 wins, 0 losses. What? Some guy, that is insane. How long did it take you to be confident in your starts and stops? It's a bit tricky. It's tricky because I strategy hopped for a little bit when I started trading. I started with this strategy in, let's say September. I started with this strategy September-ish. And then I had to work a lot on the psychology behind it, a lot. And yeah, now I'm funded, so that's exciting, but it did take a while. But it was more, number one, finding the strategy that worked for me. And once I found the strategy that made sense to me, it was then the psychology behind it. And that was also quite a big struggle. Super simple and doesn't rely on any real technical knowledge, so in theory anyone can trade. Some guy, what? Okay, wait, sorry, it sounds like secret sauce. I was gonna ask what is it and what does it entail, but it sounds kind of like secret sauce, so you don't have to tell me. I'm just curious. What time do you start your lives? I'll know when to come here. Aw, travel around the world. You're so sweet. So I actually stream twice a day. I stream both London Open, which is 3 a.m. EST. So I'm just going to use EST time. I'm actually from South Africa. What's up? So it's different times here, but let me use EST time. It's what people generally use for markets. So 3 a.m. EST time and 9:30 a.m. EST time. I'm here twice a day, every day. I placed 5 since market open and it's only been 6 minutes. Yeah, Ricky, but you have a wild system. You have a wild system. I'm like, well done. That's all I'm gonna say. Just well done. I don't know how you do it. That's impressive. Hey Alex, what's up? Perennial growth, how much do you risk per trade and what are your approaches to scaling into positions? Do you only day trade or swing trade, hold positions on multiple days as well? Okay, so perennial growth. Oh, good question. So how much do I risk per trade? $200 per trade. Around $200 per trade. Obviously it can't always be exact, but around $200 per trade. And no, I don't do swing trading. It's more day trading. Scalping, maybe, depending on the day and the price action. The quote-unquote problem, I'm calling it a problem, it's not really a problem. But again, quote-unquote problem with my trading strategy is that there's very specific price action that I need for it to be successful. Like this choppy mess, it does not work for my strategy. I know, like Ricky, some people it works like a dream. They love to trade this. They love it. I, for the life of me, cannot trade this. I absolutely not, thank you. But again, for some people it works like a dream, and well done to you guys. Seriously, well done to people that can trade this chop. But yeah, sorry. Short story long, I only day trade. Oh, perennial growth, you're such a sweetie pie. Hi. Thank you. I always appreciate the support. You know, speaking of, don't forget to press that like button, and if you guys want to, well, if you're using any of the prop firms in my description below, or you can see it at the top and the places, If you guys use any of them and you want discounts, you can use my affiliate code. Or if you guys want to try a new prop firm, Violinox Tradeify is really, really good. And Top One, I think they are the top 3. The others are a little less well known, but they're still good. But yeah, if you want the top 3, it would probably be Tradeify, Violinox, and Top One. They're really, really good. Especially if you're a beginner and you're wanting to get started. They're really good. Tradeify is the most user-friendly. Like, they actually won the 2025 award for it. Top One is the most promising, newest. I'm going to butcher that. I'm going to have to double check what they got awards-wise for that. Sorry. Again, a short story long. I may or may not have had too much caffeine today, so I'm so sorry. I'm getting another degree in yapology with how much I'm talking. Point is, if you want to show a little bit of love, if you want discounts, you can use my code. It's TeachMaya, all caps, no gaps. See me here, greetings from living in Germany. Oh, Germany! We actually have a few people from Germany. Laura, okay, I haven't seen Laura in a while. She's been sick, but Laura is also from Germany. The indicator is simple and just shows momentum and money. The rest is just support and resistance, but unbelievably simplified, so you don't even need to know any real analysis. How do you... Okay, Samga, how do you set it up? Is it like... How do you set it up? Like, what makes it so simple? Is there just an indicator and you look out for something on the indicator and then you know to buy or sell when it reaches that level? Sorry, some guy, you've completely piqued my curiosity. I have a pre-planned system. For example, I was looking for the down to take buys. So with each down, I took buys. Okay, you kind of lost me, but okay. Ricky, I don't understand your way of trading. I don't. But I think it's just like a personality thing. I think it just boggles my brain, and I don't think I trust myself enough personally to do, like, to trade the way you trade. Like, can you see? I'm actually like speechless. Really, really well done to you. How many pips do you risk for stop loss? Hey, Adrian, so I don't do pips. And sweet and simply, I just go off of range and I risk $200. So it's not a set amount of points or pips or anything. It's just I have a set amount that I'm willing to risk. And if it's over the amount, then I don't take it. Pass my MMF challenge. Well done, Ricky. Damn, well done. Getting a master. Good to know I haven't gotten any prop account yet, but have been thinking of setting one up soon. Absolutely, Perennial, go for it. Obviously, you know, do your research, see what suits you best. For me personally, I think, like I said, user-friendly, Tradeify is really, really good. Yeah, they're really, really good. A little bit cheaper, Violinox and Top One, but a activation fee. Whereas Tradeify is more expensive, but there's no activation fee once you've passed. So, you know, you kind of do the pros and cons of which one would work out cheaper for you. If you think you're going to take a few months to pass your eval, obviously go for the cheaper one and then pay the activation fee. Or if you think you're going to be quick, just pay the more expensive one monthly, but then there's no activation fee. So again, it all depends on you and your strategy and what you think is going to work the best for you. You're not from Germany, you just happen to traveler around the world. Oh, I guess there we go, it's kind of in your name. Where are you from then? You're looking for a short now. I'll make sure to buy 30 accounts with your codes. You'll be able to afford the Bugatti by then. Eddie, let's do this. That's the type of support we love. 30 accounts with my code, let's do this. You know, just copy trade all of them. Get like, what, 5 of each. 5 Violinox, 5 Tradeify, 5 Top One. Let's go. When next candle closes under VWAP, you're looking for shorts. Lithuania. What? That is so cool. How is it there? I've never done any research on it. Let's put it that way. I've never done any research on it, so I don't know much about it. We still don't have a first presented fair value gap, just BT dubs, which is wild. There's no first presented fair value gap yet. Yeah, so if anyone is curious, if anyone wants to show some extra love and support, here we go. Oh. Okay. Ta-da! I don't know why I said it like that, but anyways, yeah, if anyone is keen, I've pinned the affiliate code, then you guys can check it out if you want to. It's a bit early to go into it. Sorry, now and then I remind myself that I actually have to pay attention, but that being said, this price action is exactly what David just did there. Makes me want to scream, so... Okay, here's the 15-minute. We need a good solid break above the 15-minute to get confirmation of the highs. Gosh, this price action sucks. Okay. It's only one day into testing, but like I say, super simple mark, very basic support resistance, and then if it's a very, if X then Y strat, no, I always subject, no uncertainty. Well, listen, yeah, some guy, I would always be keen, well, let's see. I would always be keen to learn and see it, maybe forward test it and see if it works. And how many R's is it? Nice liquidity sweep open to bring the market higher. When and how much was your last payout? Oh, I haven't had a payout yet. Sorry, I've only just recently become funded, so now I've got to just keep grinding and keep going. Here's the guy that was in my chat with you. He's Lithuanian. As well? Really? Yeah, lots of Lithuanians. I really love it. I really desire trading, but I don't know how to start. Hey, is it Buckeye? What's up? How you doing? That's okay. We all have to start somewhere, right? I mean, okay, again, guys, just for anyone that is just hopping on, two things. Number one.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
That's number one. Second of all, I am still new to trading, just in case there's anyone that wasn't super duper aware. I am actually still new. I haven't even been trading for a year yet. So this is basically just a journey, and it's a very open and honest journey about trading and the ups and downs and the mental breakdowns. Had a few of those before, and you know, so it's very open and honest. So I'm more than happy to help with the basics, because that's where I started literally a year ago. I didn't know the first thing. Literally a year ago, I didn't know the first thing about trading. And here we are nearly a year later, and past my eval, now funded, working towards my first payout. Technically, I achieved my 2026 goal. Whoop whoop. My 2026 goal was literally just to pass my eval. But okay, sorry, Buckeye, that was a very roundabout way of saying, if you have a Discord, if you want to book, if you want to organize a one-on-one session, we can start going through some of the basics together. I can give you some, again, quote-unquote homework. It's just for you to start seeing things differently. You know, it's a place to start. If you're keen, more than welcome to join the Discord, pop me a message, and we can organize. Yeah, I'm always happy to try and help. A lot of people from very distant, maybe 5% of them will tell they're from there. Oh, okay, your secret's safe with me. As soon as I'm confident, I'll share. I'm not the kind of guy to gatekeep. Oh, some guy, you're so cute. Not so cute. That was weird. You know what I mean. You're so sweet. There we go. Sweet. Waiting my setup just to look short volume now and make some money for ice cream. Oh, ice cream. Can I have some ice cream? Hey, Ninja. What's up? How are you? How's it going? How's the week of trading been? At this rate, your first payout will be offer? Rude. Most people do pay well if I already get paid. I don't want to get paid taking other hard work and people's money. I'd rather earn it through hard work and the market. Yeah. Hard work. Hey, okie dokie. We got the first presented. It's on VWAP. Ooh, this is interesting. Okay, here's the first presented. Okay, let's see how this goes. Hey Rolf, what's up? It is not a word that is normally put alongside me. How about you're a sweetie pie? How does that work? Or you're I'm trying to think of a goodie. Genuine. There we go. You are just so that. Was that better? Hey Samuel, what's up? How are you doing? I'm good, I can't complain. It's been a long day. I may or may not have had just a tad bit too much caffeine, so I'm a little bit shaky. A little bit, but it's okay. We're gonna carry on. Sorry guys, like I said, if you guys are getting the complete meh, that is me today. No makeup, no effort. I basically woke up like this. So I do apologize if you guys are a little bit more used to me being ready to go. It's the middle of the week. It's been a long week. But we're okay. We're gonna continue. Really good rejection off of... Yeah, okay, let's rephrase that. There is rejection off of the first presented. I'm not gonna say really good rejection, but there is rejection. So it is respecting it, just not... There we go. The fact that I kept retesting it, I was kind of waiting for it to start doing this. Let's see how it starts acting here. I mean, in all honesty, this price action sucks. I'll take genuine. Have you eaten? I mean, I had a little bit of breakfast this morning, a little bit of leftovers from dinner. Tell me, any trades today? I had a trade during London session. It was a lesson. It was a lesson. Well, so it was a loss, but I know where I went wrong, so it was a lesson. If it's 52 for you and you haven't eaten. I had breakfast at like 7 a.m. Does that count? I feel like that counts. Man. I know not to do it because right now this price action sucks, so I'm gonna stay hands off, but I'm kind of keen for this. Like I said, I don't think it's gonna work. Yeah. I don't think it's gonna work. Not the best setup ever, but I didn't hate this for a long. Breaking back up above the 15, clearly it was struggling to break back below, bouncing off of the midnight. A bit of a doji there, let's see. Again, I'm waiting for more confirmation that we have better price action, or else I don't want to even begin to mess with this, because that will be another lesson learned. We don't need more lessons today. Projected very nicely of the 5-minute fair value. Yeah, I'm looking for... You're looking for shorts. Okay, so Rusty's looking for shorts. Oh man, if it had gone a little bit lower in, I would have predicted that correctly. Yucksy noodles. The market been cray 2 days back to back, but we're here to execute. So. Yeah, Ninja, I hear you. Like I said, I had a loss. I guess, actually, I had a loss during New York yesterday and a loss this morning. I know where I went wrong with both of them. So, it's okay. Huh, okay. Correct idea. Correct idea. That's a win. That, for me, that's a win. Let's now see if we get confirmation. The only problem is I feel like this range is going to be too big now. Ooh, bob to bob. Oh man. Sugar honey iced tea. Okay, and again, wait for confirmation. Don't just jump into things. Nobody's putting makeup on for this transaction. That Robocop, that was amazing. Yeah, no, I'm putting no effort in for this rubbish. That was beautiful. That was so beautifully said. Oh man, just watching this break above the 15-minute orb going up. Nice to know I had the correct idea, but it's okay. Walk elf, but it ain't happening. Gotta suck it up and go, yeah. Have a good day. Don't forget to hit the like. Thank you, some guy. Have an amazing day. Cross, try safe. Look for longs right now. It's ranging. Good entry under 0.5. Maya, you have to trade the bob level. Honestly, look at this rubbish. Seriously. Okay, here it wouldn't have worked out. Would have just missed the bob levels. But look at this. I saw this engulfing candle and I was like, oh shoot, man. Engulfing breaking up above this 15-minute bob to bob. Insane. And now I can almost guarantee that this range is too big for me to trade now, so that sucks. But going bob to bob, let's see if we get, I mean, we still have plenty of time. Let's see if something else pops up for us. I would like more teaching on the real person rather than from books or videos. And if you could, of course, traveler, don't worry. I took an L. No, Jordy, what happened? Why not use stock market triggers? That's way easier. David, that's interesting. Well, sweet and simple. I tend to use limit, so I do market auction theory. It would be an option. I don't know if I'm brave enough to start trying bob levels. Maybe one day. But also, back to Geordie. Geordie. My man. You've had so many good wins. An L was bound to happen. Also, this price action sucks. It really, really sucks, so it's fine. Here's the Discord link, BT dubs. Yes, I just said BT dubs like a cool kid. I'm so sorry. Okay. Wait 5 to 8 minutes or so. What I want to try to do with that. Oh no! Tried the levels off of ES. I need to make adjustments. I need to actually...
Why are you even thinking this way?
I need to actually add the ES levels. So you've added the ES levels and you're giving them a try. Why not NQ? I mean, look at this damn freaking banger of a damn Bob level. This is ridiculous. I'm pretty sure Bob took that and he's A for away now. This is just running away. Say bye-bye. That's just what this looks like. Bye-bye. We can do it later on Discord. We need to analyze. No, 100%. I'll still take a short. Why are you looking for shorts, Jordy? Out of curiosity, what are you seeing that's making you think shorts are in play? Ninja, what the heck, man? Whoop whoop, that's amazing! Whoop whoop for Ninja! I feel like I Type that like a chop. Okay, there we go. Whoop. Whoop whoop ninja. Damn go. Why are you using your Discord link? I go to casino site. I have no idea. That's weird. That makes absolutely no sense. It shouldn't be taking you there. I'm sorry. To Falang offer POC and Roda. Nice one. Very, very nice. Have you tried again? That makes absolutely no sense. It shouldn't be going to a casino link. It should just be Discord. Sweet and simple. Okay. Let's see. London High. Waiting for that. Time for what? Uncle Ron? What's that? So Asia lows left untagged and the VP levels line up there, but of course it could just fly to the damn moon. It could just fly to the damn moon. There's a lot of people wanting to see it go up. But I mean, wanting is one thing. Is it going to? That's the next question. Yeah, now this thing's just going. Angelo there. That's the previous day, midnight open. Shoot, man, guys. It's just running away without me. Interesting. I mean, I wouldn't have taken it, but interesting. This one was good. That just didn't come back far enough, so that's fine. It is what it is. And now it's just running away. That New York high and equal high is all the way up there. Kill, kill, kill. Whooped. Moment, please. That's all my TPs for today. Started with 3 L's, but ended with +9 R. You know, sharing the love is nice, Ninja, just saying. But definitely a whoop whoop for you. That is amazing. Whoop whoop for Ninja. This is for Ninja. Anyone else that also had a W? So Juan, whoop whoop. Well done. We saw this yesterday. I showed you the level. That was the trade for today. Win again. Thank you, Bob. There we go. No, honestly, the Bob levels are ridiculous. Get in and get out fast. The thing is, if you enter in the internet, it will go to casino site. But if you use phone, you can just enter through Discord. Oh, that's weird. Huh. Yeah, no, it might just be done for the day here. Not gonna seek revenge today. Yeah, Jordy, if you're feeling the revenge coming on, just lock yourself out. I can't enter this. Seriously, I can't even enter this. Oh, I got you. It's actually hot as hell today, and no, it's bad, Jordy. It's bad. It's really, really bad. But
okay, let's go.
This is what this damn price action did. It was chilling, and then it was like, okay, let's do this. That's what she said. That was a 9-hour trade. Oh, you guys are so sweet. Oh, there we go. Tapped into New York high. I've been waiting for it to take this. Oh my gosh, I've been waiting for this. New York high and equal high is done. Ugh. Here's my point of interest. This has been my point of interest for the past, like, I would say week. But yeah, since like the real mistaken. Bring your growth, what a great long opportunity for sure. No, 100%. If anyone got in on this, seriously, well done. This thing is just charging. Surely it has to be overextended by now. I would expect a little bit of a retest. Thank you. After taking out equal highs, and that New York high. Well, I can't enter in on this, so I'm just gonna watch it go by and try not to let FOMO take over. Sad. Oh well. Did anyone get in on this damn rocket ship? We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship. Going 9 to 5. Anyways. To tell us this was gonna happen. What? Huh? Quan? What you talking about? What? Wait. 6945 ES. Okay. Okay, Gappa. So let me mark this. 6945. That's what you think on ES. I mean, it's not that far away from it. Well. Along the bottom of this move. Like the bottom here or the bottom here? Which bottom? The 755 or what's this? 793. Which bottom? Oh, we're still just going. Be overextended by now, seriously. Again, well done to anyone that took this, damn. Just damn. Damn, okay. Come on, that's are you still in this or did you close? But yeah, are you still in this? Did you close? What happened? Patience, patience. Patience. It's supposed to be a virtue. It tagged the level, short revenge. Jordy. 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 Be good. Okay. Be good. I believe in you. I believe in you. You've got this. So I'm just watching. Oh, I'm so sorry. I look like a mess, but it is what it is at this point. Okay. Okay, we've got sorry, I think I just heard like the longest thing of thunder. Longest thing. Anyways, I think I just heard some hectic thunder. Let's see. Oh, maybe there's a storm tonight. I won't be upset about that. If I could just cool down, that would be great. Not quite what you would want to see here. I mean, it's taken out so much buy-side liquidity. You expect a little bit of a retest eventually. I'm going to draw... Sorry, I'm saying a lot. But I'm going to draw this. Just to get an idea. I'm not going to take that. Let's not be crazy now. Let's not get overly excited, but... just to get an idea of where we could be headed back towards. Here's the 50% of the range. What instrument am I trading? Hey, what's up, Naran? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Get in on the retest. Yeah, if I like it, I'm gonna keep an eye out. Maybe we do get something good for the retest back down. I have done that before. It feels cheeky, but it did work. Anyone looking forward to the FOMC minutes at 2? Are you gonna trade it, Ninja, or yes, no, maybe? Are you gonna trade? Is that also what's happening, y'all? People just like trying to get into or out of positions and hence this is why we're having this damn rocket ship to the moon right now. Okay, how does, okay, let's ask this. How did the markets react differently to the two? Because then, yeah, you can let me know that. How did the markets react differently? How is it different? See, always learning something new. Yes, small cap intraday. Nice, okay. Naran, what do you trade? Do you also trade the Nasdaq futures? Do you trade gold, crypto? What's your asset of choice? I just like to watch retail get chewed up though. That's so mean. Valid, but mean. We go a little bit up and come back to VWAP. No, go have fun. The moon is not even, yeah, beginning to describe what just happened here. Go have fun. Did you take a trade? Or not yet? This is insane. Stocks not index. Oh, nice. Okay, and how are they? Out of curiosity, because I haven't traded them, so I'm curious. Okie dokie. It looks like it's consolidating high and tight. Yeah. I put a stock market short under that last week's low. You were thinking there. It's doing what you would like to see for a potential long. It's going slow down before potentially shooting back up. Potentially. It's what I suspect. I think it's going to do a slow move down and then just gonna ping back up. I suspect. I could very well be wrong. My W short opportunities. I'm keeping an eye out to see if a good setup forms. I am watching, but I'm not going to force a trade. Okay, I'm not going to force a trade. I'm really trying to stay disciplined with regards to the FOMO and the chasing. Like I said, it's what got me this morning. So let's not make the same mistake once. You know, make the mistake once, it is what it is. Make the same mistake twice in a row. I don't know, you need to go and whack yourself over the head and rethink your life. Daily you get set up in a single one. Yeah, I want to say yes. Maybe not every single day, but yeah. Not on this one. I did on the opener, got green. Hey, go have fun. Whoop whoop. That's amazing though. Hey Kate, what's up? Anyone familiar with Funded Next? Yes, there are a few people familiar with Funded Next. What's up, Caitlin? I'm also familiar with it. The link for it is in the description below. So I want to say I'm affiliated with them. I don't think the link works very well though, so yeah. Did your funded account come with any hidden rules? No hidden rules. Did you sign a contract? Not a contract, just I guess a contract, but nothing hidden. It's just 25%, whatchamacallit, consistency rule. So 25% consistency rule. If I'm not mistaken, I think it's a minimum of 10 days trade, which is no problem for me. I take a while. For people that are quicker, obviously that would be a little bit more of a but for me, I'm very much a bit like a damn tortoise, so it makes no difference to me with regards to that. Other than that, no, not really. Yeah, other than that, it's pretty straightforward. Yeah, just consistency rule, and yeah, once I hit 6%, so 53k, I can request my first payout. So that's cool. That's cool. Hey Alex, what's up? You're not wrong. They might only take the trade when it breaks the level and takes the trade to the next level. Yeah, there we go, Joy of Travel. I mean, it did break it there, but it didn't... How do I put this? There wasn't enough oomph. Ooh, look at it forming here. Is this a double top? Could this be a double top formation? Possibly. Let's see, if it taps above... Oh, here we go. Created an SMT here. If it breaks above this 0.60 level, I would be keen for proper retest. It might go a little bit higher, but then it is tapping into a fair value gap. A fair value gap on the daily. Narayan, what's my trading style? I use market auction theory mixed with ICT and SMC confluences. You want to know more, you know, just feel free to ask. I'll very happily tell you or go into further detail, but that's the easiest, most simple way to explain it. Is it me? 1 hour looks a lot like NAS 1 hour. Is it? I haven't even checked it, Alex. And what's the payout? Yeah, there we go, 6% there. Sorry, Ninja. I'm glad I answered. Glad I managed to answer that. Yeah, so I did. I went through it properly. I was like, okie dokie, let's go through this solidly, make sure I understand everything. But yeah, so it's not bad, right? Not bad. Okay, so it hit my point of interest that I've had for a while. My point of interest was that 25060 level. Well, to be fair, it was at first the 25,000 was my first point of interest. Second point of interest was this 25060 level. Let's see if it continues or not. Like I said, on the daily, it has tapped into the fair value gap, but it could very easily continue higher to the order block on the daily. I just suspected that we might see a little bit of a retest here. Weird. Okay, Jordy, which time frame do you tend to look at for more accurate SMTs? Exhibit A, there we go. And then you're gonna crack this up. Oh, thanks, Ninja. Yeah. Well, let's see. I'm getting a little bit ahead of myself. There's no promises that I won't blow the funded account and then just have to start again, right? Please don't. Yeah. Okay, no, on the daily it's just hit quite a hectic point of interest. So I was looking at this, but it's so overextended. Maybe this works out, but it would be lucky if that worked out. So I'm not even gonna, sorry, my nose is so itchy. Ugh. I groomed the horses, so I think there's just horse hair everywhere right now. Yeah, like I said, I think that would just be lucky. And we don't go here off of luck, we go here off of correct trading. I mean, no, this is more of a B setup. I don't like how quickly it's dropping either. This might be where it starts going. Let's not push our luck here. 1 hour seems more decent, holds for longer, so even if it fails eventually, we can snag a few ticks in the hour. Okay, that makes sense though. Okay. Hey, Naren, how many trades do you take daily and RR? So my RR is 1 to 2R, and daily, again, it depends on the day. Like today's price action sucks. I did take one earlier. This hasn't given me any good entries. Watch this now work out because I didn't take it. Let's see, I'll put this up for you guys to see. I wasn't happy with this trade, so I didn't take it. That's sweet and simple. That's the only reason. If it works out, cool. Like I said, it would have been more luck, not sticking to the rules, which is bad. Sorry. RRs is 1 to 2R. Sometimes I leave a runner, but in general it's a 1 to 2R strategy. And Of course it's gonna work out because I didn't take it. Of course. But anyways, whatever. And daily, again, depends on the day. There's been some days where I could have taken like 3 to 5 trades, right? And then there's other days where maybe only one opportunity presents itself. And then there's days like this now where it just kept running away and it's just not worth it. It actually may have missed me by the spread. Yeah, okay. Nah. Like I said, still not keen on it, so I'm not upset about missing this. Even if that happens, it's lesson learned. The only thing you must not do is tie that to yourself. Oh, 100%. I hear you, Ninja. I'm gonna short it again. Let's try. Yeah, Geordie, I'm actually more keen on shorts, which is, you know, trend is friend until it's not, so maybe that's wrong of me. I think it's because it's tapped into the daily fair value gap that I'm a little bit more keen on a bit more of a retest now. But again, I could be very wrong, so let's not go based off of that. Anyone puts you in the top 1%, but then you need to be in the top 1% to get a payout and 1% to get your next payout. It's all fraud. Wait, getting funded puts you in the top 1%? Are you serious? What? That doesn't seem right. Top 1%. If you get funded, what is my hair even doing today? What? Time frame, and are you breakout trade or pullback? I'm a pullback trader. Yeah, I do limit orders, not stop orders. Yes, I'm definitely a pullback trader. So for example, this one would have looked like this. Like I said, I wasn't keen on it, and that's fine. Rather a missed trade that you weren't keen on. Well, I think the fact that I wasn't keen on it was an upset. If you're doubting it, rather don't do it. It would have looked like this. I would have set it up, waited for it to come back in, and then gone back up. So that's that market auction theory coming into play. You know, sell in premium, buy in discount. Dom, you think this is the pullback zone? Yeah, so like I said, let me just quickly hide things so that we don't get blinded. Here we go. So this is what I was talking about with regards... See how this broke into this fair value gap on the daily. This is what I've been waiting for it to do. I've been waiting for it to retest into this fair value gap. But now the question is it going to go higher up into the order block? I think a lot of people are waiting for it to go into the order block. Very interesting. Very overextended to the buy side though. Let's see what we get here. Okay, volume has now dried up quite a bit. Here we go. Or here we don't go. Okay, let's wait and see what we get. All right, let's wait and see what we get. It's gonna be interesting. You know what? You guys just see the raw bit that is me today. I am and I'm not sorry. I feel like most of you guys have been watching me long enough to just to know. Who agrees that this is a little bit overextended now, and that to see a little bit of a pullback here would actually be quite nice? Right? You guys think a little bit of a pullback here would actually be pretty decent? Again, I could be wrong. I could be wrong. This could very quickly prove me wrong and just start freaking rocketing back up, but I'm not so sure. I'm also pullback trader, bull flag, and flat top cross camera type. Oh, nice, Naran. Okay, and how long have you been trading for? Profit smells like fresh ass. Rose, I have questions. Does Funded Next have max profit limits? I'm not actually sure. So Kate, so out of curiosity, Kate, if you don't mind me asking, why are you looking at Funded Next? So what's drawing you specifically to Funded Next? Just out of, you know, asking out of curiosity. I like to get to know the viewers. Oh damn, it is thunder. Okay guys, if I have to go very quickly, it's because there's huge bang of lightning and, you know, gotta protect the PC. Without the PC I can't trade. So if I do just say, okay, I gotta go buy, it's because the lightning has arrived, because this thunder is on its way. Just a heads up. If I all of a sudden be like, okay, bye, it's for that reason. Around 1 year. And are you profitable? Meh. Wait until 9 EMA crosses VWAP. Okay. Okay, let's see how this works out now. Clearly a lot of support going on. You look at these damn wicks. But buyers are failing to take control as well. So I'm learning, not learning, I'm trying to be better and more aware of reading the price action. Sometimes I'm not really great at it, but like looking at these wicks, it's promising, but the buyers are failing to take control right now, especially on ES. Buyers on NQ, not that bad. ES, the buyers are definitely failing. Cheers, go have fun, enjoy. It's profitable and I learned from Ross Cameron, Book and Andrew. Oh, nice. How long did it take you to become profitable? I popped the Google search, the stats for you, and just thank you. Mother Nature just blew her funded account. Robocop. How are you doing, Robocop? How are you? Sure, this looks interesting. Oh, it is raining. Like I said, if there's lightning, I apologize because I'd have to skedaddly daddly, but yeah. Change your strategy, it's gambling, I'm sad for you. How? Okay, would you like to elaborate how it's gambling, if you don't mind? So in around 8 months, awesome, okay. That's really, really good. And how long did you study before? Hey Inferno, what's up? Not bad. Well, I say not bad. I had a little loss. I had a lesson this morning, but I know where I went wrong, so that's okay. Robocop, I'm not well. No setup this whole. I mean, Robocop, that's fine though. It's okay. Having to learn to sit on your hands is part of it, right? It's patience. Awesome, as long as we don't give up. Exactly. Now backtest your strategy. And it's 38% win rate. Hateful carriers? But I also backtested and it was 60. Okay, let's round down. It was 60% win rate. It was actually 63%, but we'll round down. It was 60% win rate. Did you do all the correct confluences as well as specifically only A+ setups and waiting for correct price action? Sorry, not wanting to argue, just curious about the parameters of the backtesting, maybe? Let's put it that way. Ninja, I miss the East Coast summer storms. It goes absolutely dark and then falls for like 15 minutes and the sun comes out like nothing happened. My gosh, it's moodier than I am. I would say I'm joking, but well. I found the more I develop my model and further my profitability, the less I rely on low time frame for anything. Trader Neptune, which time frame are you now just staying on then? Like 3 months study and 5 months small money training. Oh, nice, Naran. And now, like, have you had payouts and? These are the prop firms available in SA. I just read through their website today and felt at ease. Kate, have you checked out Traderfy? Out of curiosity, so Traderfy, well, actually, sweet and simply, all of the props in my description below are SA friendly, so you're more than welcome to check them out. Like I said, one of the top rated ones is Traderfy. Top one is still fairly new, but so far people have been really happy with them. I mean, I'm using them right now. No complaints, they're really quick at getting back to you as well. You know, 1 or 2 issues here and there, but I think it's gonna happen regardless. And Violin has been around for a long time. The only problem is I don't think you can use TradingView with Violin. I stand to be corrected on that one. Hey, yo, Bob, what's up? Yes, but you need 2 or 3 more confirmations. You have two. Still keeping my execution time frame at 1 minute, intraday strategy, entry 5, 15, 30, and higher time frame 1 hour for 8 hour, 1 day, 1 week. Trading Neptune, I feel like I have asked you this a billion times, but how long do you tend to hold your trades for? Does anyone know any coupon codes for order flow? Coupon codes for order flow? Ninja incoming. Yeah, no, I'm watching. I'm waiting for the solid retest. Let's see. Damn. Sorry, I was just having a quick look-see at this. Damn, we got a lot of new Discord members today. Welcome, guys. Seriously, welcome. I can imagine there's quite a few people that aren't trading today because of FOMC. Why are we doing sad music? What happened? What's up? Why are we sad? Okay, no, wait for confirmation. Maya, don't be a silly goose. It's not worth being a silly goose. Dimitri, are you good? What? Huh? No. I'll have one down motions for the next 15 to 20 minutes until it gets to the macro. Yeah, listen, Ninja, it's making me really reconsider my whole entire life right now. Like, honestly. What is going on with this price action today? Just went to the moon. Now it's, I don't know, having a picnic on the moon. Are we gonna go back out into orbit or not really? That would be great. Guys, I know patience pays, but oh my gosh. I forgot to mention that it can give you a damn headache as well. Just sitting and waiting and waiting and sitting and sitting and waiting some more. Oh, it's raining properly. So everyone's being oddly quiet today, and I'm not gonna lie, Y'all are making me uncomfortable. I think this is the most quiet people have been in a very, very long time. It's weird. Are you okay? Do you guys need a hug? Is everyone okay? I'm really not used to people being quiet. But anyways, as long as you're happy with it, then good. Mention the reference during just currently in higher time from the video is and please confirm you're changing the cellular from on the range point. And just like that, we got another Bob quote. Bob quote, Bob quote, la 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 la. And for those of you who joined me on Discord, you guys know exactly that I literally have a Bob quote book. Bob book. No, it's a book. Huh, damn. Bob, did you get a whoop whoop, by the way? But overextended, but the test needs to come in before the next expansion. Yeah, Ninja, it's a lot, hey? One day fair value gap. Yep. Heard of Neptune, I agree with you. I've been watching that daily fair value gap for a while now. It did tag into it. I had actually my point of interest at this 0.60 level. That was actually my main point of interest for a while now. I've been waiting it to tag that daily fair value gap. I expected a little bit more of a rejection off of it though. Let's see. Certainly check out Tradeify things. I do believe there's some dodgy ones too. That's why I asked him to read reviews and so on. Yeah, Kate, so I mean, if you want to... Give me a second. Kate, just for you, while this price action sucks, give me 2 seconds. Okay. Okay. So here we go. What I wanted to show you isn't so much this. This is just, it's Tradeify. It was this. I thought this was really interesting. Whee! Where is it? Oh man, sugar honey iced tea. Where'd it go? Here we go. It was this here. Here we go. Check the chart quickly. What's the chart doing? Okay, still waiting for confirmation, so that's fine. So yeah, prop firm match awards 2025. I thought that was very interesting. So let's specifically do futures, right? So I know I've been through this for a while, but it's nice, especially if you guys aren't aware. I thought it was really, really cool. And this is specifically for Kate. So you can see Tradeify has best payout process. My funded futures, unfortunately not SA friendly, was most popular prop firm. Top Step is now SA friendly, I believe, has the best rules. So here, top one, most popular new prop firm. Tradeify, highest rated prop firm. That's really, really cool. Funded Next Futures, not SA. Again, my funded futures, not SA. Alpha, not SA. Funded Next. Okay, I get it. So here, Funded Next has the quickest payouts. So that's good. And most user friendly prop firm was Tradeify as well. So I mean, you can see Tradeify got 3, which is really good. Top one also got 1. I thought it was interesting, but yeah, sorry, that's enough for me. Back to this. I just always think it's nice to show people, especially if they're doing their research, what I found. Hey Sammy, what's up? Even this morning I was watching, but too busy with work to interact. You streamed for a long time. I know, I'm so sorry. Shout out from S Korea. What's up, Jay? How are you doing? I heard nobody's getting too much. Oxygen. Haven't had anything in the past 2 days. No, what about that break out of the 15 minutes? Was it not what you wanted to see? But no, you have your new thing, so actually let me be quiet. You know what you're doing. Damn, Monster Mob! Whoop whoop, that's amazing! Yep, this daily fair value gap either confirms weekly bullish manipulation with inverse fair value gap or in the range close for OTT. Wait. OTT, are you good? Baby Star, what's up? How you doing? Ashley, where you at? Actually, where's Jordy? I want to ask if he spoke to his gym buddy. Okay, here we go. Looks like this would have worked. Like I said, I didn't trust it, I didn't like it. Looks like it actually would have been a goodie, but that's okay. But I hold the shorts till take profit. So why are you sorry? I don't know. Why am I sorry? I don't know. It sound good. Just good. Only good. Of course, Kate. I got you. I know, especially as a South African, it's a bit tricky to find prop firms that are good. But yeah, for any of those, like I said, more than welcome to use my code to also get some discounts. Teach Maya, all caps, no gaps. The more affiliate codes that are used, the sooner I'll be able to do some giveaways. Just saying. That's the goal, to be able to do some giveaways, but I need some more people to use the affiliate code and then I can start doing giveaways. This it is straight short again. You think so? No way. I don't know. Could just be manipulation. I don't know. It's making me sad. That's all this price action is doing right now. It's making me sad. But I know patience is key, right? Patience. It's so overextended. I really thought we'd have more of a retail, and actually more of a actually English nailed it. Actually expected more of a bounce off of that daily fair value gap. It's what I've been waiting for, but apparently not. $13555 subs. You should take in that trade. What's up, Solly? How you doing? Listen to the universe. Oh my gosh. Hey Solly, how was your nap? Took highs and down. Let's see monster mob. Solly, how was your nap? How are you? Did you get in on this mahoosive move over there? This thing is still just going up. Listen to the universe. It's raining right now, so I feel like the universe is saying, go get popcorn, curl up and watch. Or binge watch a series. With this price action. You know, I've never related more to a short than the short I posted today right now with how this price action has been. I don't know if you guys saw the short I posted today. I think it's funny. I don't think a lot of people think it's funny. I thought it was funny. I thought I was very clever, but... ooh, Naran, what is my view on Tory trades? I don't know. That's a bit of a sneaky question. But again, in all honesty, I have respect for anyone that is doing well in this industry. So I have major respect for her. Anyone that's doing well in this industry, just respect. That's it. She has a trading style that works for her. Not everyone agrees with it, but then again, not everyone agrees with like ICT. Not everyone agrees with my trading strategy. So no one's ever going to always agree with things. So again, just mad respect for her. She's really, really doing well. So I respect that. That was my move, but I was Busy, my intro name should have been. Microwave, where were you? 3D printing loot is raining here also. Yes! Rain, rain! So you don't respect me then? Microwave? Of course I do. She just bought a purple Ferrari. Was that her Valentine's gift? I see she was like, I just spent $500K on a Valentine's gift. Is that what she did? She bought a purple Ferrari for herself? Damn, nice. Again, respect. Respect. My sleep was disrupted by someone hesitating on a setup, but it wasn't an A+ setup, Solly. It wasn't even that I was doubting. I did not like it. And I feel like that's bad. Okay. So. Look, see, I even lost a subscriber because Solly was being me. I'm joking. She just ninja. I took a 2K payout and then blew up the account 2 days later. No! I'm so sorry. What happened? 3D printing loot? I mean, well done for the payout though. That's really good. After sitting in 50K drawdown. What? I have a question. My GF is awkward today, so I've been a bit hands-off. Ah, that makes sense, Miguave. Where am I from? Oh, Naran, I'm South African. What's up? I could feel it in my jellies. This woman isn't doing what she should be. Come on, woman. That's literally what it sounds like. You can't know, honestly. Damn, Miguave. Nice. I think we're gonna go with nice. We're just gonna go with nice for that comment, Miguave. I don't know. Got spun out, but pass another count right after. So back it. Okay, there we go. 3D printing loot. Then you've got this. Today. Oh damn, gosh and bad. Whoop whoop. Well done. Yeah, seriously guys, for anyone that took a trade and is doing well today, you guys seriously deserve a whoop whoop. This price action. Well, no, there's still hope, right? Right? There's still hope. This could start working out. Please say it starts working out. Come on, you got this. I have hope. I have hope that this starts doing what it should. Trading on FOMC, learned my lesson. Oh! Hey, Skillblow? Skillblow? Did I get that right? No, I'm actually not. Well, I'm on the charts, but I have not taken a trade. Naturally, yes, that trade now would have been a win, of course. Yeah, of course. But whatever. Nah, I haven't taken a trade. I haven't had a correct setup for it, so it's hands off until the trade comes. This patience is giving me a headache, but it's good. It's good. It's good. Don't let the fear of missing out win. Let's see. Do you think this is gonna get any better, or do you think this is just gonna get worse until the FOMC minutes? I mean, all these wicks. There's a wick off of there and an engulfing candle. This could actually now start to continue going up. Sorry, can you see? I'm starting to now just start playing with things because that was mean. That was unnecessary. I mean, it's valid, but it's still unnecessary. Okay. If someone takes risk 15K on him, take our trade. Naran, are you talking about Corey? Is that what you're talking about? Like I said, I only have respect. Literally, I only have respect for anyone in this industry. I don't have anything mean to say about anyone. Unless you guys are being mean to other people, then that's unnecessary. I am a firm believer, you do what works for you. No one is the same. If everyone was the same, this world would be so damn boring. So damn boring. I was gonna build the positions from now till lunch, then wait on FOMC minutes. Okay, so yeah, basically this is just gonna go side. Which sucks, guys. Why? Why? But why? Okay, let's see. Let's see at the new hourly candle. Maybe we get something okay there. That would be quite nice. Let's see. It's 10 to. Maybe we get something decent. I'm gonna just keep watching it here. If not, if it's just gonna continue chopping, I don't know, I'm gonna go scream into a pillow. Oh, I'm kidding. I'm half kidding. But I just said, no, I said gonna. Low Labs, what's up? If I start trading, I'll do the opposite of my bet, David. Do it. Let's see. Let's see then who wins. Make this a friendly competition. It's just gonna start fading me. Watch you actually do really, really well. I'd be really upset. No, I'd be proud of you. I'd be grumpy, but I'd be proud of you. It'll be a mixed bag of emotions. No, I want to know RR because this is dangerous to show neutral. My RR? Me? My RR is 1 to 2R, if that's what you're asking. Hey, matey, my profit for today. Oh, unfortunately, I'm in the red for today. Down $200. I only took one trade. It was a loss. Unfortunately, I haven't taken a trade with this today. So, yeah. Because now the price action is Pupukaka. Yes, Pupukaka? We're going with Pupukaka. Okay.
Why are you doing this? Why are you even thinking this way?
Microwave, it started with London. And it's just continued. Are you okay? I feel really bad for your girlfriend right now, just saying, but it's okay. Because that's how they engineer liquidity for themselves. They have to get you to take a trade and then use your stop loss against. No, that's true, that's true. It's just manipulation, right? Manipulation. You trade enough to know that you do this.
Emotional damage.
Someone woke up with an attitude. Damn, David. Good grief. Who like spat in your cereal this morning? Wow! All the sass coming out there. It was sass, not gas. We're not talking about Mikawawa. We're talking about David here. Okay. Oh, that was such a bad joke. I'm so sorry. I spent my payout on a new kitchen. That's a really good thing to spend your payout on. Nice. Price action. Emotional damage, 100%. 100%. Samuel, have you seen my short? It's how I feel right now. That whole Robert. It's pissing me off. Because this is literally how it feels right now. This price action is pissing me off. Okay. You have 6 minutes to prove me wrong. Come on. 6 minutes to stop barcoding. Nah. Noise. Okay. Come on, give us a move. Give us a move. Give us a move. Give us a move. Is anyone taking trades in this, by the way? Like, is anyone trading this? If you are, I'm pretty impressed. Exactly, be cool, Ave. Gotta be sassy up in here. I mean, you're on Tesla. And how's it looking? How does gold look? Should we go have a gander at gold? Assuming as this sucks. No, that's not much better, is it? Nope. Gold is really not much better at all. Damn, gold respects VWAP quite solidly. Look at it. Huh, interesting. Anyways, sorry. Thought I'd have a look at how some of the other markets look. The answer, meh. Just everything's meh right now. Wait a minute. Do we have some movement? I'm gonna need some confirmation of movement though before... Confirmation of life. We need confirmation of life. Before we start trading this. Go. Confirmation of life, let's do this. Looks like an episode of Chopping 100%. Hey Kenny G, what's up? How many payouts have I received so far? None yet. None. So I'm still a new trader. I only passed my eval on Monday, actually, so I'm officially funded, but no payouts yet. I've just started this funded account. I'm in the trade now. Joy of travel, you are? Are you going level to level? Is that your plan? I did hear that, Fairy Bean. Nope. Joy of travel, I'm assuming you're in a long, right? I'm assuming. Okay, level to level. So you're using Bob levels? And how have you found them, Joy of travel? Out of curiosity, what are your thoughts? This is gonna come to a stop loss hunt, isn't it? Oh, man. Okay, there we go. Okay, you have 2 minutes to prove that you're gonna start working. Let's do this. I'm timing you. No pressure. No pressure. Market makers, do you hear me? No pressure, but if you... Hi! I think you'd enjoyed DAX during the London session. Really? I dropped a sweetie. Here we go. Joy of travel, they work amazing. So, Joy of travel, out of curiosity, right? The main man is here. Harry is here. So, Joy of travel, out of curiosity, what is your confirmations for? Like, yeah, mine would be either a solid engulfing candle or it rejecting off of the levels, but again, I haven't exactly backtested it enough. I haven't been brave enough to try it. Let's actually just say that I haven't been brave enough to try it. What do you look for with regards to, aha, this is now going to be a good level to level situation? Oh, you are so cute. Come, are you going to come say hi to everyone? The main man is here. I know you guys are actually only here for him. Let's be real. You gonna give me your paw? Thank you. Oh, both paws. I got both paws. I don't use any of that. What do you use, Joy of Travel?
Hello.
He's asking so politely. Put your head here. Do you want to see how clever he is? Leave it. Ah, leave it. Leave it. Can you see it? Can you? No? No, wait, there we go. Leave it. No, leave it. No, you numpty. Leave it. Break. New high on 1 minute candle. I just looked at the USD today on the 1 minute. Oh, Mikuave, why? What? Why? Why is it bad? New high on the 1 minute candle. Okay, well, it's. I'm so sorry, hiccups have kicked in. It's starting to move. You can't. Okay, we have a little bit more movement. So I'll give you another 2 minutes. Let's do this. Another 2 minutes to prove that you're gonna start working out. Let's see how smart he is. No. Yeah. That's what you say. Use the cloud when everything is bullish on the 1 hour and the 5 minute, then I trade. I'm sorry, what? You use the cloud? The cloud? The cloud. Okay. Okay, that's 1 minute down. Come on. Come on, you have 1 more minute to prove that you're moving. Oh, yeah, no, also. He uses the cloud stop. Ah, that makes sense. That makes sense. Yes, the what cloud? Joy of travel. I have questions. Cloud? Like cloudy with the chance of meatballs, or like I said, lots and lots of questions. I do not know of this cloud. Come on, tell me your secrets. I want to kind of know what this cloud is now. What is this cloud? Okie dokie. 20 seconds. Come on, Nasdaq. Show me something. Show me something good. You have 20 seconds. The cloud and volume. Am I being blonde? What is the cloud? What is the cloud? Price and then beautiful these past 2 days. Prices. Hey Garfunkel, what's up? Long after long, I'm up 15R. Do I even have the DAX? Oh, I can't trade the DAX, guys. Oh man, it's delayed. I can't even trade the DAX. That sucks. That really, really sucks. I can't trade it. You got me all excited. Thank you, Joy of Travel. I'm confused. The draws a card. Whoever, that makes sense. Hey, David, what's up? You know, cloud, perhaps, maybe. I thought about being a wizard, so I tried it for a spell. Skeletor, how are you? Long time no see. It is EMA 2050-50 in the settings. And it's called the cloud. Sorry, Control C, I'm adding this to my notes. And I'm putting here cloud. Okay, interesting. Okie dokie. The cloud refers to an indicator. Which one? I don't know. There are many. Interesting. Okay. Well, okay. I can't. This is gonna make me angry. It's actually gonna make me angry. I don't know if anyone is actually trading this, but this is actually going to make me want to scream into a pillow. what the name of the cloud indicator. So he said that it is EMA 20 50 50 in the settings. Cheers, Ninja. Yeah, guys. Okay, I'm gonna call it there. I'm gonna call it here because this is gonna drive me. Oh, it's moving. No, it's. Is it moving? Is it moving? I said I'm leaving and it was like, okay, we can start doing things now. Shoot, man. Wait. Yeah. Okay. Oh, just when I thought I was out, it pulled me back in. You have intrigued me. Okay, let's do this. So I'd follow this up. This would be better. 1, 2, 3. Bunch of liquidity over here. Not bad there. Okay. You again have 2 minutes to start proving to me that you want to do good. Shortcoming in order book. I see orders to sell. What's up, James? How you doing? I'll send it to you. Thank you, Joy of Travel. Appreciate it. Alex, hello. Videos quality is more not visible. Alex, really? Is that for anyone else? Anyone else's video quality bad? Asking for Alex? Yes, no, maybe? What even is this? Oh, you know what? I'm so sorry, guys. You get to see the real me today. Okay. You again have 2 minutes. I'm gonna start timing you. Let's go. 2 minutes to start proving your worth. Let's do this, Nasdaq. Shoot, I don't even like this trade. Ironically, this one is better. 1, 2, 3, but with how it's chopping, I wouldn't be surprised if it went lower. This feels risky. Hey, Parks with Mr. Gold, what's up? I put on high quality, but it's still the same. My entry now, your zone 0.5. Here's Chop City, not a fast day. No, it's bad. Dumb for what, a buy or sell? I'm assuming a sell, but... Anyone else struggling with quality? Ever play off deviations from the bell curve? No. Angry Bob, I've never tried it. I'm assuming that's what you do, correct? Let me copy paste this. So Dom, you're looking for cells. That's the best advice I can give. Okay, I'm gonna check it out. I copy pasted it. It is now part of what I'm looking at. Okay. Well, I said you had 2 minutes and you started to show me some movement, so that's promising. Watch it now go up. Just because I didn't take it. Hey, maybe not. Oh, that would have been like an instantaneous loss if I'd went for a... Thinkorswim is best charting in my opinion for it. I've heard Thinkorswim is really good. It wants to dump though. The fun stuff happens beyond 2 deviations. Here we go. Damn, Dom. Anyways, sorry. What? English going bad. Okay, we have movement. If this starts going up, I'm actually gonna swear at myself, but it's okay. It's a yucky day to trade, regardless. Heyo, Jordy, what's up? Did you take another trade? Did you just chill? I'm watching this regretting all my life choices right now, but it's okay. I was this close to leaving, and then we started getting some movement. But, let's see. Thank you, Joy of Travel. But when I sat back, it was better. Oh, maybe it's just me. Maybe I'm breaking your camera or your screen. Can you imagine? What a big insult. What a big insult. If we retest the bob level, I'm along it. Why not? Yeah, I hear you. Hello. Okay. We start just messing around again. Go and come back. Honestly. Honestly. Okay. Okay, no. I know that price actions now started doing things. I can see it started doing things, but I don't trust myself to not take stupid trades in this chop. My strategy does not work with chop. I have to keep reminding myself that. Okay, wait, here we go. Come in. Come say bye. Come say bye. Bring your little snoot into the camera. There we go. Harry says bye. I don't trust myself to not do dumb things. Looking at this, it's frustrating me, and when the emotions start coming into play, it's not a good thing. So I am gonna call it there. I know that we've gotten some things here, but it's... No, it's not worth it. It's not worth it. I'm gonna start making stupid mistakes. Let's not do that. Okay. I love you guys madly. Okay, I love you guys madly. Don't forget to press that like button. I'll be back tomorrow, London and New York session. Let's hope the price action decides that price action has action in it. You know, in the freaking name, action is part of it, but whatever. I love you guys madly. Don't forget to press that like button, and if you guys use any of the prop firms that I'm affiliated with, don't forget to use my code TEACHMAYA, all caps, no gaps. Okay. I love you guys madly. Trade safe in this mess. Trade safe. Okay. Love you.